Hello everyone. Today we will be making no first fruit salsa. So the ingredients which you need for it are cucumber, tomato, curd, pomegranate, banana, apple, coriander, lemon juice, mustard oil, black pepper according to the taste, and salt according to the taste, and at last nachos or any Pringles, banana chips, and obviously a mixing bowl and a serving plate. Now we'll put all the fruits and vegetables in the mixing bowl. Take some apple, but keep apple in the water because after this sometime you will cut it will go under the process of oxidation and it can become brown. So I have put that in water. Now we will take out of it. We will pass the water and we will only take some apple. This apple done, then tomato. Then some cucumber. Yes. You can also take more fruits, but I will suggest you to take dry fruits. Now we'll take the spices. First we'll take salt and it will be according to your taste. I will take according to my taste. Then next is black pepper. It will also be according to your taste. I will put black pepper. Now we will put some mustard oil. Yes. Now lemon juice. This is important because it will only give the zingy taste to your salsa. Now some lemon juice. Yeah, this is okay. And if you want to take more, you can take more. Now we'll take some curd. If you have cream cheese, you can also take that. I will take some curd. You also have to save it for the last. Now we'll mix it well. And you have to mix this well. Mix it well. Now we'll do the serving process. We'll take the nachos. We'll put this on the nachos. Now we'll put some curd in this. Now it is ready to serve. Come on, I have made my sister sit there. Let's make her taste. Sis? Yeah, this. What's this? Eat. Which one should I have? ये वाली खाओ, मैंने इस पे 10 मिर्ची डाली है. You know I don't eat मिर्ची. मजाक कर रहा हूँ. Eat के let me eat. How's it?
It's yum.
Okay, now I will taste.
It's beautiful.
Come on, let's taste this. सच्ची में अच्छा था? Obviously.
है ना?
Come. Go. Have.
उसके मुंह में नहीं जा रहा है.
How's it?
Very beautiful.